Hiking in London Club. In exploring the scenic St Albans Abbey River Vere walk. Hey Spartan, have you ever heard of the Garston to St Albans walk along the River Vere, Moor Hill and Verulamium? It's an amazing hiking trail that runs for 8.7 miles, starting from Albans Station and ending at St Albans Abbey Station. I just did it recently, and I have to say, it was a fantastic experience. The trail is moderately easy, so anyone with a basic level of fitness can do it. There are a few steep inclines and declines, but nothing too challenging. I would recommend wearing comfortable walking shoes and clothes suitable for the weather conditions. Getting to the starting point is easy, as both Garston and St Albans Abbey stations are easily accessible by train. If you're coming from London, you can take the Thameslink train and get off at Garston Station. The trail is well marked, so you won't have any problems finding your way. The history of this trail is quite interesting. The River Vere was once an important waterway for transport and trade during the Roman times. In fact, the trail passes through the ruins of Verulamium, a Roman town that was once the third largest city in Roman Britain. Along the way, you'll see some beautiful countryside and wildlife, including kingfishers, herons, and if you're lucky, even some deer. One of the best parts about this hike is the Moor Mill, an 18th century watermill that is now a pub and restaurant. It's a great spot to stop for a drink or a bite to eat before continuing on the trail. At the end of the trail, you'll arrive at St Albans Abbey Station, which is just a short walk from St Albans Cathedral. This is a great place to visit if you have the time, as it's one of the oldest and most beautiful cathedrals in England. Overall, the Garston to St Albans walk is a fantastic hiking trail that I would recommend to anyone. It's a great way to explore the English countryside, learn more about its history, and enjoy some beautiful scenery along the way. So, grab your walking boots and get ready for an adventure.